Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at the song Hey Diddle Diddle, or otherwise known as The Cow Jumped Over the Moon, on a tremolo harmonica. Here is a tremolo harmonica with 24 holes. This tremolo is in the key of C, but don't worry if your tremolo is not in the key of C, it's the whole numbers that are important. If your tremolo is not numbered, then the first hole that produces the lowest note is hole number 1. The second hole is hole number 2, and so on, right up to the last hole, which is hole number 24. You will also notice that each number actually has 2 corresponding holes, but for this lesson, just pretend that there is only one hole and treat them as such. For this lesson, when you see this red arrow, it means blow into your tremolo harmonica. And when you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through your tremolo harmonica. Got it? Good. Here is what Hey Diddle Diddle looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. E, 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 F, G, D, 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 C, D, E, 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 F, G, D, E, F, 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 G, A, G, E, C, D, E, G, 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 A, B, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 11 4 times. Breathe in through 12. And blow into 13. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 10 4 times. Blow into 9. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 11 3 times. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 13. And breathe in through 10. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 11. Breathe in through 12 4 times. Blow into 13. And breathe in through 14. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Phrase 5, blow into 13. Blow into 11. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. And blow into 11. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 7 4 times. Breathe in through 6. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 9. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to follow me on Patreon. We'd love your support. And if you're a YouTube content creator like me and are looking for a place to share your work with other like-minded YouTubers, then come and join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.